Good morning. It is Thursday. It is the Bubba Show. Well, today jobless claims won't mean anything, and that's simply because tomorrow is the big report that everybody is waiting for, and I think that everybody's banking on. But I think what you want to take a look from here, okay, you want to see, more importantly, what the Fed is thinking and what the Fed is doing. There is a lot of dissension in the Federal Reserve as to what they want to do. Now, if you're not familiar, you have in interest rate markets, you have what they call the hawks or hawkish, and you have the doves or dovish. The hawks are the ones that want to raise interest rates. The doves are the one that want to keep interest rates low. We are starting to see a big separation in who wants to do what. The hawks are starting to gain some momentum, which is creating higher interest rate environment, which is creating some selling pressure into the market. Now, what you want to focus on here is whatever the expectation of the number is, and we'll have an idea by today by the market action. But if we're getting some severe selling pressure into Thursday, then you can bet that they're expecting a bad number. So if we got a good number tomorrow, the market could certainly rally off of that. However, if we are staying neutral and rallying a little bit, then the street is expecting a good number, and a bad number could create major selling. But as I have been saying for weeks, and I will continue to say, the risk to the market is to the downside. Can it go higher? Absolutely, we can go higher, but the risk remains. We're not going to get a runaway to the upside, but we can certainly get a runaway to the downside. And that is the focus that you want to keep here. So this week that is loaded with news, watch how the market reacts to all these news items. If we continue to get selling pressure like we had last Friday, which that's what I expect, look for opportunities to short the market. The market is telling you that it's time to switch directions and we're going to look to shorter. So the jobs number is key. Don't really pay attention much to the headline number because, again, that's a bogus number that's created that doesn't take into account the actual true number of unemployed. If you really want to know what the true numbers are, you need to go to the Bureau of Labor Statistics to get the real numbers. We are not adding enough new jobs. The job picture is ugly. It's murky at best. So let's be ready, let's be prepared, let's be ready to react to this market. For Thursday, the Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Friday.